Dear students, welcome back to the new academic year. I am Listener Jose, and in this semester I will be dealing Management Accounting course. This video is intended to provide an overall idea about the course, the expected outcome from you, the syllabus, activities you are supposed to perform, and the reference material. You might have heard about financial accounting and cost accounting. Am I right? Yes. So now a question may arise in your mind. What is this management accounting? It is concerned with accounting information that is useful to management in policy formulation, control of execution, and appreciation of effectiveness. This course is added in this semester as a core course with credit 4. It comprises of 5 modules. Module 1 will help you to find an answer to the questions like what is management accounting, why management accounting, and the need and importance of management accounting in a business. Module 2 deals with analysis of financial statements by using comparative and common size statement methods. Module 3 includes financial statement analysis with the help of ratios. Module 4 deals with fund flow and cash flow statement of a company. And in Module 5, we will have a detailed discussion on budgetary control. Once you complete this course, you shall be equipped with following outcomes. You will get an idea about what is management accounting and its significance in a business. You will be familiar with how to analyze and interpret the financial statement of a company with the help of comparative and common size statement and also with ratio analysis. You will be able to analyze and obtain conclusion on the cash and fund position in a business. And finally, you will be familiar with the concept of budget and budgetary control. Components of continuous assessment are CA1, CA2, CA3, CAS, CARDIL, and attendance. Coming to CAS, it includes analyze and interpret the financial statement of a company by using comparative and common size statement and also with ratio analysis. Your CARDIL activity includes quiz, work out practical problems, and analyze cash flow statement of a company and prepare a report for the same. Or you have an option in the case of CARDIL. You can attend a MOOC course related to management accounting and submit a certificate for the same. These are some of the books that you can refer for management accounting course. Thank you.